Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. In this second explainer, we'll introduce the Unity Asset Store and download a free Oculus VR integration asset before creating a brand new Unity project. Unity has literally millions of users and thousands of developers creating assets to use in our projects. You can find them here at the Asset Store. Many are free, like the one we're going to add to our account shortly, and others are paid, like these most popular assets at the time of recording. You'll need to log in to the Asset Store using the Unity account details you created in Explainer 1. Do that at the top right here. The free asset we need to add to our account is called Oculus Integration. Add it to your assets by clicking here. Now it's been added to our account, we can return to the Unity Hub and create our first Unity project. Go to the Project tab and select New Project. As you can see, Unity includes lots of built-in project templates ready to start from. We're going to go to Core, then 3D URP. URP is short for Universal Render Pipeline and is suitable for most projects, including VR. And select Download Template. Give your project a name. We'll go with City 1 and click Create Project. Unity creates a new project and installs some key components automatically. Welcome to the Unity editor. To set this project up ready for VR use, there are a few things we need to do. First, we need to install the Oculus Integration asset we downloaded earlier. Start by going to Window, Package Manager. From here, we can see any packages already installed in our project and any assets we've downloaded from the Asset Store. We've been using Unity for quite some time, as you can see. Here's the Oculus Integration asset. Select to download it, and then install it. Check everything is selected, which should be the default, and import it into the project. Again, this can take a couple of minutes. As Unity and VR assets are regularly updated, you may be asked to restart Unity at any time. Do this when prompted. Next, we need to install a package called XR Plugin Management. Switch from My Assets to Unity Registry and scroll down to XR Plugin Management. Again, install this package. Now these two packages are installed, we need to tell Unity we're going to be working with Oculus or Meta integration from this point on. Go to Edit, Project Settings, and click on XR Plugin Management, and select Oculus. And that's it. Our project is ready to work with a connected VR headset. Before continuing to explainer number 3, if you're going to be testing your projects on a Quest device as we go along, you'll need to enable developer mode on it. This will let you transfer VR scenes directly from Unity using a USB cable. Search online for Quest Enable Developer Mode, or get help from the Oculus developers website here. See you in Explainer 3.
Pixels.cool.